Every time your phone autocorrects a typo, a version of this idea is quietly running. It is the one technique that separates good developers from great ones. And it comes down to a single rule. Never calculate the same thing twice. Take the Fibonacci sequence, where each number is the sum of the two before it. Compute it the naive way, and the same values get recalculated over and over. Fibonacci of 15 alone explodes into more than 1900 calculations. That is O of 2 to the n. Exponential. Every number you add doubles the work. Now watch what dynamic programming does instead. The first time a value is computed, it gets stored. Watch the cayenne bar. That is a fresh calculation. The instant it finishes, it turns purple. Saved. And the gold bars? Those are cache hits. Values pulled straight from memory. Every gold flash is work the algorithm simply refused to repeat. Here is the part most developers never appreciate. With dynamic programming, Fibonacci of 15 takes just 16 calculations. 16 instead of 1900. The same answer, dropping from O of 2 to the n all the way to O of n. The only cost is a little memory to remember what you have already solved, and that trade is almost always worth it. This is exactly why edit distance powers your autocorrect, and why route planners reuse partial paths instead of recomputing them. Anytime the same small problem appears again and again, dynamic programming turns a mountain of work into almost none. If Memoization finally clicked for you, drop a like and subscribe. New visualization every week. And share this with that one friend who still brute forces every interview problem. They need this more than anyone. Next, neural networks. How AI actually learns, visualize the same way.